So today I took two trades on PLTR. Now one was an amazing trade, is a really good winner for me. The other was a stop out, and the stop out came first, as you might imagine. So PLTR, you can see the first few candles here. We did get set, a nice range. It broke through this pre-market level, but then we started throwing. Now we got lower highs and lower lows, but it is on a doji hammer. So this is a trade where when I was watching the price action, I felt good about it, but I did feel a little weird taking the short after such a long wicked doji hammer here on the 5-minute chart. But I took the first one short here. So it pressed up, looked like it ran out of gas, came back down on equal volume. And so I like the look of it as a potentially weak stock. It hit this and bounced back as these people took their profits. And if you watch the price action, it did look weak. And what made me take it short right here was that we hit here, we pushed up, but a lot of longs didn't come in. It didn't really get the momentum. Like once it busts through these moving averages, if the longs are going to take control, you'd expect to see them start flooding in right here, so they get a nice entry on top of all these moving averages, and they can push up. But it didn't really happen, and so I took it short here. And what it did was it split up my order. So I actually thought I had a hotkey error where I took twice my position, so I immediately took half of it back off. What's frustrating is that I didn't actually double my position. It just split my order, and in the moment I thought it had done that. So I took half off here and then stopped out at break even. So this is the losing trade. But what I saw was, even once we pushed up beyond all these moving averages, we still the volume didn't come in. So when it came back down here, as soon as it got near VWAP, I think right under VWAP, I took it short at 22.27, which at the time was like right under VWAP. I took it short right there and started partialing out. It kind of hovered around my entry for a sec, and once it started moving, it moved really quick. So my first partial was nice in that I got 20 cents out of my first partial, and then I wanted to partial out towards, so 22 because of the bids was my first target. So I got out there as my first one. Then I wanted to get towards the bottom of these bodied candles right there. That's what those two are. Then out at yesterday's high right there. Then continued out towards previous day close, which was over here at 21. And previous day close, if you look on the 5-minute chart, was around the 200 MA as well. Now, this last partial, I thought about holding to see if we could break through, and if I would have, I could have got an extra 50 cents. So that could have been a big move. But I really had tiny share size left, so wouldn't have done me that much good. But overall, really great day. I'm at 116% of my daily profit target. Again, on these two trades, one being a stop out, and where I lost about half my max loss on the stop out, and then was able to get a really good trade here on the short side. And that's really what it's about. If you want to be consistent day trader, your winning trades need to be 2 or 3 times your losing trades, and that's really how you keep the odds in your favor as much as possible. So great day. I hope you guys caught some good opportunities. And we're getting close to Thanksgiving, so I'm a little surprised at how volatile the market is, but really great day for me.